Good day. Today we're going to be talking about how to change cutters or set cutters for different parts of a job for the Revo C mill. So here we have an interesting ring. This happens to be a clove hitch ring that I made some time back, and it's perfect for this particular type of job. I'm going to go into plastic. I'm going to zoom out. As you can see, there's a lot of flat surfaces. There's also a lot of fine detail. So what I want to do is I want to mill this with a 10-degree cutter for most of the job, and then I want to come back and actually go down in between and say I want to trim this up with an 032 cutter so I get nice square sides or something to that effect. First thing we do, of course, is turn off our stones. And we'll process it all the way through to the end like if we're doing a Revo V job or a Revo C job, either one. We'll grab the model, throw it in there. No, we're not going to use user supports. For fun and games, this is going to be a hub job like that. Well, let's do it this way. There we go. Go next. We're going to stick with 10mm thick wax. Works perfectly fine. It's giving us all of our little outside supports. A 6mm hub with 3 supports is going to work fine for this particular job. If I was doing this for real, I would probably throw away the inside supports and make my own so that they were to the halves of the knot and they were split. But for what we're doing now, this works just fine. So what we're going to do is grab all of those because we clicked out the space, put those in there like that, and we go next. All right. If I go next, what you're going to see is we have our cut hub, which we have to do with a 10-degree cutter. Then we have doing the halves. Then we do the cowl part. That all has to be done on the hub. And here is the ring, the rotary on center hub. This is where you can change things. What you do is you double-click, as I did on part 5. And you see the cutter comes up 10 degrees. Now I can come down here and I can change that to an 032 cutter. And I've got all my tolerances. Make sure you hit set, and then you just make your path. So here we have our finished tool path. And we can review through it. Here's our cut hub. Here's our flat sides. And if you double click on that, you can look at each individual side. 1, 2, cut hub. Here's the rest of the hub cutting job. And then here's our rotary. Now, I'm going to save this, and then we're going to open this up in Revo, and I will also show you how you can change the order of loading. But this will be a separate movie.